Modern house and lot na malapit sa NLEX, Skyway at one ride away to Metro Manila ba ang hanap mo? Dito lang yan sa Amaresa, Marilao.
Amaresa Marilao is developed by Red Oak Properties after the success of Amaresa 1, Amaresa 2, Centrina Calamba, Centrina Lipa at Centrina Alaminos, which are almost sold out. Red Oak Properties is now developing Amaresa Marilao located along Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. 6 kilometers away lang din ito sa NLEX.
Ang location ng Amaresa ay 100% flood-free at malayo sa fault line. We offer 4 single attached unit na fully finished na kasya mapa-small o kahit big family pa.
Kayla Prime na may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at high ceiling living area. Aria Prime na may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath and family area na convertible into additional bedroom. Amara Expanded na may 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath and with attic. At ang pinakamalaki nating unit na sa Alexandria na may 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath with attic pa. Fully finished ang turnover ng unit dito with tiles, paint at naka-concrete partition na. Gamit na lang ang kulang.
Ready ka na bang magkabahay? Tara, tulungan ka namin sa dream home mo.